The Irving voters have spoken, and the incumbent Mayor Rick Stopfer will serve another term. He joins me now. Mayor, there is a lot to talk about, so thanks for being here.
I appreciate the opportunity to be here and share some time with you all and talk about the election and other things that are going on in the city of Irving.
Of course, looking forward to it. And what are you looking forward to in these coming years as mayor?
Well, I think that we've got so much opportunity right now to continue to do the things that we have been doing with our infrastructure improvement, working with our businesses, working with our residents and our nonprofits. We're a hard team not to be in the mix when it comes to competing for the businesses and competing for people to live in our community and work in our community.
And amid all of the accomplishments, you are also in office at the time of one of the biggest challenges facing our entire country, and that is COVID-19. What are your concerns as you see this current rise in cases and hospitalizations?
Well, there's always the challenges that we face in a pandemic like this, and one of those is the ups and downs that we're going to see. And right now, with the things that have gone on with Halloween and Thanksgiving coming and Christmas coming, New Year's, people getting together, more and more there's going to be more interaction with each other and the potential for the spread. One of the challenges is there are more people doing testing right now. So in doing that testing, there's more results. So you see a higher number. What we really want to make sure of is that the occupancies within our hospitals are not exceeding the numbers that we feel comfortable with.
I know you have regular meetings with area mayors as well as the county judge. Is there any discussion of new restrictions?
There's always the concern of the basics, wearing the mask, social distancing, washing your hands, and we're going to probably see potentially some limiting of the number of groups of the people that get together. You know, I don't think that we're going to be seeing the closing down or the reduction in the amount of people in facilities, but I do think that there's going to be the caution of let's try to prevent any more of this spread from going on.
And let's go further inside those conversations. How do you balance the need to keep the economy moving while also working to keep people safe?
Well, I think that's what everybody's trying to figure out is how do we get that mix. Most recently visited with some of the CEOs across the Metroplex to talk about their concerns of bringing people back to work. And what they're seeing is about a 30% reduction in productivity by not having people there. So it's kind of contrary to what we're hearing, that people want to stay home and they want to work from home. And the businesses are actually seeing a reduction in productivity. So they're very focused on how they can bring some of their people back to work safely. And I think that's going to be the challenge as we move into the next year or two even, is how that we see these businesses redoing their office space or redoing their meeting space so that they have the distancing and that they feel comfortable with having their people back in the office working. Restaurants, you know, we're very concerned about our businesses. The businesses bring people into the community. Those people supply our restaurants and our hotels, and we need to make sure that our restaurants and our hotels can get back in action and be productive, and we can bring those people back to work.
Let's shift the topic now to transportation. There is a lot going on, and we've spoken to you in recent weeks about the Signature Bridge and the Irving Interchange, but we have not gotten an update from you on another big project, and that's the Hidden Ridge DART Station. So fill us in.
Well, that's another exciting opportunity we have to finish the Verizon site, which is actually the Mr. Carpenter's old ranch. And one of the things we wanted to make sure that happened is we developed that area out, that it's a true TOD and that there is a transit stop on that facility. So we've been working diligently with DART to make sure that that happens. We're projecting that it'll be open the first part of the year. So those employees at Pioneer, which is one of the first buildings out of the ground, will actually be able to start utilizing that mid-January.
All right, Mayor Rick Stopfer, thanks for making time for us.
Thank you.